Hi, this is Mimi from Mimi's Paper Crafting. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about March. And I asked a few months ago if people would want me to do another Build-A-Journal type series and do it twice a year. And people said yes. And I decided that I want to do March Make a Journal, okay? And I want to do Marches different than I do September's. September for me is basically finding like a digital kit and making a journal. Okay. I want March to basically be a junk journal style, but I want it to be themed and not like vintage theme or not generalized theme, not like cottagecore or whatever else you could come up with as a general overall theme. I want it to be specific. So, like always, I will have this PDF on my Ko-fi. My Ko-fi is linked down below in the description box. So it'll be free. It's always free. So you can just go on and download the PDFs to join me for March Make a Journal 2026. But here we go. So, pick a theme. We're starting on the 5th. So pick a theme and gather your supplies is the first day. All right. So you're going to want to pick, I have, as you can see, all along the edge, I put little photos to give you some inspiration to help you. So some ideas for themes are your favorite movies or TV shows. Okay. Disney, anything Disney, but specific. Don't just do Disney. Like I want it specific. I want, if your favorite movie is Lilo and Stitch, you want to do Lilo and Stitch. Great. That's it. But don't just do general Disney unless you're going to do a specific Disney park. Okay. That's different because then you're doing a specific Disney park. Okay. Television shows. So that was movies. Television shows. Your favorite sport. Crafting, but specific crafting, like painting themed or sewing themed, embroidery themed. Like, it'd be really cool if you're really into embroidery, getting an embroidery hoop and making your journal out of 2 embroidery hoops would be freaking really awesome. Honestly. And then you just use rings. It'd be really cool. A coffee themed, floral, but like a specific flower, not just floral. My favorite flower is a tiger lily. So tiger lily or rose or hyacinth, whatever your favorite flower is, or even like gardening. So do a gardening journal, anything like that. Your favorite book theme. So your favorite book, your favorite musical artist, that would be great. I have popcorn down here because like your favorite food, and popcorn really kind of like stuck out to me because I have a good amount of popcorn stuff, shockingly. So popcorn would be a good one. Astrology, like stars, the sun, the moon, and the stars, that kind of stuff. Cooking, baking, that kind of theme. Mushrooms, like that's such a popular thing. I was trying to think of a bunch of different things. These are just ideas. You don't have to take these, but I thought if you were stuck, I could throw some little things on. I cannot think of what these are called, you guys. Clip art. And to give you some kind of inspiration. The favorite book, it could be even a children's book. And you've seen me. I have done like Nightmare Before Christmas journal. I did that kind of journal. Like you could do so much with a theme. Okay. So for day 5, it's picking a theme, gathering your supplies. Do I have my theme yet? No, but it's also only January 10th. So I have time. Okay. Day 7, the 7th of March, will be cutting your pages, making your journal cover, and assembling the journal. So we're going to do that all in one video. Cut your pages, make the cover, assemble your journal. Now, if you already have, say, if you decide to do your favorite book, you can actually use your favorite book. Go to a thrift store, secondhand shop, find your favorite book, and you can use that as your cover, like a Stephen King book. hardcover version of it would be really cool. Stuff like that. You can use the pages from the book as your pages. Awesome. March 12th, we're going to start to make our ephemera to match the theme. So whether you're cutting things out with a die cut machine or a Cricut, or you're gathering things to use as ephemera, that's what the 12th is. The 14th, we're going to be making tags, because every good journal needs a good tag. Now this is going to be like a true themed junk journal. Like I do a junk journal every September, but this one's going to be a themed one. Okay, so we're still going to do the same things we do in September, but we're sticking to our theme. Not going to just be nilly-willy, not going to be whole like a fall theme, October theme, summer theme. It's going to be very specific, so we're going to have to make things to match. So if you're going to do the sun and the moon and the stars, you can make star-shaped tags, sun-shaped tags, moon-shaped tags. You get my drift? Okay. On March 19th, we're going to be making pockets and envelopes to match our theme. Again, everything is to match our theme. So if you're doing coffee, a really cool pocket would be a coffee mug. You just cut out a coffee mug with your dies, your photos of coffee mugs. Like we're gonna have to figure this out as we go, because this is my first time also. March 21st, we're gonna be making paper clips and charms, any kind of little bits and bobs, and that's what we're doing on the 21st. All the little tiny things that we like to add to our journals. And day 26 will be ribbons and trims. Okay. And then on the 28th, we are adding everything to our journal. Now remember, the 26th, I said we add everything we add the ribbons and trims to our journal on the 26th. Like every other September, we don't add anything else. We add everything else on the 28th. Okay, and on the 31st will be my final flip through of my finished journal, because I never show me adding everything to my journal. So I'll show my finished journal on the 31st. Okay, that is going to be March Make a Journal 2026. Now, if you have any ideas for themes, you want to share what you might want to do, drop them down below, because you guys, I have so many ideas for themes. Like I just don't even know where I'm going to go with my theme. I'm not sure yet. It could be anything. It could be anything. I just want you to pick something specific. Okay, that's my only criteria for March Make a Journal, is make sure you pick something specific. I don't want anything generalized. I don't want you to just do, I'm just going to do movies in general, and then have like 7, 8, 9, 10 different movies in your journal. I don't want you to just pick movies and just do film strips and that kind of stuff. Be very specific. That's it. All right. So I hope you're going to join me. By the time you see this video, this PDF should be in the Ko-fi. Okay. I might even add it early just so you guys are prepared. Depends when I remember. Okay. Depends when I remember. But I hope you join me. Let me know down below. Are you joining me? What's your theme going to be? I can't wait to see. Or if you don't want to share your theme, great. That's fine. How about giving me an idea for a theme? Guys, it's still the beginning of January. I can figure out my theme. All right, I will figure out my theme by the time February rolls around and I have to make all these videos. Thank you so much for joining me today, you guys. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next crafty video. Have a great rest of your day.